Some people might say, me wear water boot in the boat. But the reason why I wear the water boot, you see? When I catch a fish, and especially kingfish, and them drop off of the hook sometime in the boat, them flash up and want to bite you. So I have to use the water boat and pin them up against the side of the boat and then take out the hook. So you don't know that. That's the reason why I wear the water boot. And the stone them out here so too. Anyway, we set up for the morning, people. Today's a late, we are going late this morning, you know, because we realized that the kingfish can bite late. So I go late now, we'll see if we can get a late hookup. Yeah, weather look good, place look shine, look bright. Yes, Darren, so we are read this now.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah man. So we're out here again. We're out here again. Me and Darren this time.
I'm on YouTube.
We'll see if Darren have not no cream sleeve, so yeah, alright. Alright. We're gonna pack up and get out there, right, people? So we'll catch up on the seawater. Put up my glasses. Where's my glasses case? Yep. Glasses. Put them up because I don't want to drop off. I lose 2 glasses when as we tell you, I lose 2 glasses when I run a port trial. 2 of them. Drop off of my shirt in the sun. I don't know which part to find it now. So if you don't mind sharp for the whole trip, I'm blind. I can't see. If you straight up my hook and my thing, then I can't see it good. Come like me, I miss something now in here. Why not in here? We have everything. It just look like something missing out of the
calf. No, the paddle.
Calf? Paddle? I know say me leave something in the man. I tell you, sir. Check up, boy.
What are we gonna do with that paddle? Use this as stick.
Sure. Sometimes move too fast. Sometimes when I'm not thinking straight, you know. How we are gonna manage that now? Tell me now. Tell me now, Darren. How we are gonna manage it out that?
We need it for lunch.
Something lunch and if anything to we need it too. We never have a piece of board out and nothing at all. Not even a piece of broadboard. So this is hard now, you know. I think I make the propeller carry it out. I make the engine carry it out a little bit and then stop, make it warm up. Yes people, so we go out now still. We reach out on the water, but we leave all of our things. We leave a paddle and we leave the extension piece of the angle right here, so we leave everything to me. I rush to come out. But anyhow, I see if we can go and save me. Alright, so I put out the beta now, yeah. There. Kingfish there today again. Them no bite early, or them bite late. I'll see if I catch anything in the late morning now. And the latest we ever come out. The latest. You better bite now, and don't ramp with me now. Right there, you better bite and don't ramp now, you know. I know them love ramping up. Alright. So let's go now. Feed. Oh, good. Cause you want them to slip off for how long? Whoa, big enough? Now come down now. Big rasta, watch out, they're stuck. What kind of fish is this? A fish I feel like a goliath grouper. If now come, watch out. I don't look so. I'm gonna one jack this one.
Big jack.
Because no man, a king mackerel man, but we like him get snag.
Oh.
Cause this the kind of feeling that we get now from him. It's like me I pull him sideways.
Yeah.
I sideways me I pull him now, but now I pull him by mouth, so that's why. So that's why me I take time now and I fight him on a light jab.
Like a rear now.
Come here boy, fish on every time. No fun when me out here and pray for one make a mistake. Better make a good mistake. Which bad mistake you would have make? No, the bad mistake this will make.
Yeah, me have a big bite. Alright.
Take off your tip off it.
No,
take
I'm not take off him.
You know it? Learn to pray. Learn to pray to her. It's dirty.
You have time.
Jeff it dirty, I pray.
Sharpy.
Eh? You sharp, yes? Come here, boy, come here.
Me versus Kemar.
You? Hey, you hear that? Jared versus Kemar. I want to hear it. I go and see some competition. I go and there. I don't know what you're looking at there. I took me down one pressure. You see me, I say? That's why I take time and look out from morning to day.
Remember the one that did live yet for me? She said never would do that, you know.
Yeah.
That's why they are fights hard.
Yeah. Come here, boy. Come here. Come with the rain. Come catch man. Come.
Long fight, short catch. Fight two and the other two. And then I fight both that and
I fall looking at fall, man. I can't bet you. Because with that, I pull him sideways, I tell you. There's people so fish on from morning, you know, man, till all the rain come and fall upon me, and stop and ease up and come back and fall again and fall again now. What am I tell you? Darren get 3 hookup, all of them escape. What's that, Darren?
I stop in the boat.
I'll stop me up Darren hook to her. I said Darren I'll get 2 hookup. Well, the first one get off quick, but the 2 get hook up and run off and straight up hook. I saw them big man Darren. But I don't know how the money hook because I want to know. So I say so, I have to just take time. Take time and bring him in because he might run a long time, you know. See man, I side you and get hook, see that? Tell him man. I dead him dead, you know, watch it. So let's say I side you and get hook, man. I can't get hook the right way. See I side you and pull the fish. See I side you and pull the fish, or go down back you and pull the fish, watch it. I side you, the fish get hook, you know. Right now I can get it all inside.
You see a tail, that fish come out the water.
See I side you, I see the side of the fish oil I got to there.
Inside, yeah.
That's why I think fish heavy man like a big old monster. Watch it. You see I ain't tail there, see watch it. I tell you the fish get hooked side here, watch people, look at people. Right there inside and get hooked, you know, watch it. That means you know, if you run off again him gone in there. Prepare yourself there, prepare yourself. Get right across him back if you put the grass. Here. Don't make me see it. Stay low. Watch out, one hook him to you know. Stay low. Right across him back, hold on there. Right across him back. Right.
One shot.
Yes brother, see me now?
Yeah man, fish on.
Every time brother. Oh listen me. See the people? King mackerel. Oh! Alright, see my people?
King mackerel.
Beautiful kingfish. King mackerel pan them. See that? Nice one there. See the people? Nice.
Yeah man, nice.
Yeah, what do you mean? No! Take up the ice on this. Right, on top of it, yeah. So Darren, you see if you're treating like this now? Couldn't hold no more, you know?
Couldn't hold no more.
Yeah people, so we come off of the water already, you know, yeah. Darren?
Yeah man, we just come off of the water.
Yeah man, we just come off. Boy, from morning until rain, we all 2-3 times.
Yeah,
breeze, everything. Boy, I tell you, if kingfish are hard today, you know, them never bite lure.
Yeah.
And because we are use some lure, we entice them, then come and grab it and probably itch them and then get you. Because Darren catch about get 3 hook up, you know. And one run off and pull off, and go to jig, itch him and he pull off right. The other 2 get hook up and the hook bend out, straighten out. So that's why the other 2 get you. So would have get 4 hook up. Me and my one, Darren 3 get you. But you know why it's hard today still. I'm sure I use the right bait. See the right bait here. See that? Let me show you. See that bait here? This will work. I try everything in my box. And it not work and this work. See it?
Chop.
Yeah man. See Darren the same thing there, yeah.
No,
see that,
chop up.
And this the fish that I bite. A good thing me have one. Come on. And this up your sleeve, you know. And it work today, you know, brother. If you never have it up your sleeve, I wouldn't get no fish today, may I tell you. I try everything in our box. Come on, I try everything in our box. And nothing, all the favorite lure that we have, none of them no work. And that's the only one work, the one where you have up your sleeve. A good thing you have to be sleep, brother. Anyway, take care, people. God bless you out of here. Catch you in the next one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Bless everybody. Bless it. Fish on every time.